This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.